How to withdraw eGold on your Elrond Network wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw eGold on your Elrond Network wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is simply open up your Elrond Network, or now the xPortal wallet application. Here what you can do is simply go ahead and you shall get an interface like this. Now there are two different ways. What you can do is simply tap on send option there on the home screen, and if you have list of coins available, it'll show up here, or if you don't see it here, you can search from the search bar for eGold and then you can go ahead and tap on it. Or what you can do is simply from the home page under my coins, you should be able to see the coins that you own. Simply tap on eGold there. Once you tap on it, this page should pop up. At the bottom of the screen you can see buy, receive, send and earn. Simply tap on send option, then choose the amount that you wish to send. Once you choose it, simply tap on go ahead and continue. Now you can say I don't have sufficient funds, but you can tap on continue and it should give you an option to enter in the wallet address. Then enter in the wallet address into which you want to withdraw and you are good to go. So this is how you can withdraw the eGold on Elrond Network. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.